All right, we've got crude oil taking a rest and trading inside yesterday's range, but overall retaining a bullish posture and establishing a pattern for a potential upside breakout. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So as of today, we now have a potential bull flag set up in crude oil, connecting this lower swing high, lower swing high, lower swing high, sequential lower swing highs. That's a key part of the trend structure. And so that price level right here, this B point 6467, is key for what happens next. So let's keep that in mind. Secondarily, we have this potential bull flag pattern preceded by a sharp rally that creates the pole. I have not measured it as a flag. I've just thrown a quick ABCD pattern on there to give us an idea of where it may be going. We can look more clearly later if it follows through properly. But this would indicate an initial breakout of the flag at 64.16 above yesterday's high, confirmed by a breakout above the top of the flag at 64.67, and daily closes above either of those levels will confirm the moves. And then we have this prior swing high here at 65.32, which begins a potential resistance zone up to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at 65.89. However, if this turns out to be a bull flag breakout, then the momentum that kicks in once that happens may be enough and potentially will be enough to break through this potential resistance zone relatively quickly. And if that happens, or if it takes a while, either way, the initial higher target zone is up here from the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement at 88.73 and up to the blue 200 moving average at 69.29. Notice that the 200 is falling. And then we also have the completion of this ABCD pattern at 68.98. So that creates a high probability, in my opinion, zone for a target, eventual target for crude. One other quick interesting side note is that, and we also have this downtrend line we have to keep an eye on as well. But notice that on the way down, there was a bear flag that triggered at the end. And on the way up now, we have a potential bull flag. So that's kind of interesting to happen. And that, to me, gives more weight to this potential bull flag pattern. But of course, we need confirmation with a bullish breakout first. All right, that is it for crude oil traders. Have a great week.